In this video, we will look at facility data collection. We will open up our survey. This will take us to the last record that we had open. Down at the bottom, you'll see we have some options. Let's look at information. This has all the information prompts that were sent from PCS. None of these are editable if they are sent from PCS, except for facility location. With facility location, you do have the option to capture a new location. Simply hit capture and save. The next icon at the bottom is the inspections. In here, we have up at the top the option for turn-by-turn navigation to this particular facility. We hit the back arrow, it will take us back into the FDC application. We also have the option for a bearing and distance to this site. It'll let us know how many of the current sites in this survey have been completed. It will tell us what type of facility this is, the site number, and then we have some other options at the top, which we'll talk about here in just a minute. In the Inspections tab, you have the first three items of your information fields. Then you'll have blue prompts. These indicate that these are open to record data. Another feature is on the left, you have a way to go to the DVM to look at your graph. This will take you to the DVM. We'll hit the graph icon, and we can make sure that we are in sync. Hit the back button, and that will take us back to this facility. If I want to record structure PS and structure IRF, all I have to do is hit the lightning bolt icon. This will initialize the DVM, and it will give me readings. Once I see that those are the readings that I want, hit the icon again, and it will record them. You also have a pencil icon that you can enter data in manually. There's a clock icon. You double tap that. This will give you previous readings. These are sent from PCS, and you can have as many as you want. In this case, I have 3, and it gives us the date of each one. We'll double tap that to close it. I have the option to collect facility inspection location. I hit the icon. I can capture the location that I'm actually taking my readings from. Save that. If I hit the inspection remarks, this opens it up to type in. I'll type in AI training. You also have the option to use the microphone to dictate into the remarks field what you want in there. Technician will carry forward each time you go to the next site. As soon as you add data, the technician will carry forward the last recorded technician that was there. We can go to the next site, in this case a rectifier, or we can go to the previous site. Go back. Any field that you are in at the bottom, it'll give you the date and time that that data was collected. If I have collected data and perhaps I'm on the wrong site or I want to clear this data for any reason, we can hit the back arrow up at the top. It'll give us a confirmation message. We'll hit yes, and that will clear out any data, and this facility will go back to being unvisited. Please visit our website for more helpful how-to videos.